Is he back? Okay, I think we got everybody. I'm going to kind of get the lead in for James. So this is what National Cyber League looks like. So this online portal that's set up, you see he kind of logged in and kind of a basic set of things. As a advisor for the group, so as part of our job, we put it in the budget to go ahead and get different licenses. So it's now $35, used to be 25 per student. You get a rate that you can do it by team. So it's 8 to 10 students per team. You want to do that way. At one point at the highlight, we had 4 teams, about 45 people that were in there, plus a couple of backups that were working on this. What we developed is each room would be a different team. So we just have red, white, different colors that would go down the line or different teams. And we start out, and that's that gymnasium piece that I talked about. Set up like an academic sporting team, but then you have this gymnasium that you can do whatever you want. And he's going to kind of go into the different areas. The practice area kind of gets more focused a little bit toward the actual gaming environment. And if you scroll up, then you see the individual game and the team game. He's going to go through the different parts of scoring, the competition completion, and the accuracy on that. That goes into your report, your scouting report, and that's what gets set up there as well. And it'll show you that one. And you can see this is off the last one that was in March and April of this year. We have another one in the fall. Happy to meet with you guys to help develop your guys' teams as well to do this, or at least work with your universities.